Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, hit that subscribe button right here because I do the projects on the bikes and I always come up with the new videos that are pretty useful to everyone. Anyways, what I have over here, I started cleaning these brake hoods and they were pretty greasy and whatnot. Now I tried quite a few detergents and nothing worked quite well like this thing over here. This is the soapy detergent for the dishes, and if you look over here, it says anti-grease. Grease fighting active. So what I had done over here, if you look over here, I have a damp cloth towel with a little bit of with a little bit of hot water, and I'm gonna just put a drop here. If you look what I had done here, there's just a drop of detergent. And I'm gonna come back right here and I'm gonna just keep working it in. I just wanna show you the results that I'm... Now this section here, I cleaned that a bit. But if you look, see, the more you try, the more you get rid of. Now to show you how effective this is, I just put some hot water here and I put a drop. And if you look over here, there's a part that I didn't get to, you know. Again, over here, there's another one at the bottom. I missed these two. So what you do, just want to show you, you're gonna just go like this, and look, it's already coming off. And see, the bottom part is pretty bad over here. And then have a look there. So looks like the most effective way to clean your hoods would be just to damp, you can even do like a microfiber here. But I'm gonna just show you here. See, the more you work it in, the more of this stuff comes off. And quite frankly, if you look at this one, these brake hoods were really bad. So from my experiments, whatnot, this seems to be the most effective way to clean your brake hoods on your road bike. What I will do, I will put a link down in the description where you can buy this detergent if you can order it through Amazon. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.